to say I keep her check. She was a bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Needless to say, I'm keeping her.
Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing great today. I hope wherever you are just making the most of everything that's going on right now. I hope that you are healthy and you are well. I'm doing great. Happy to be here, happy to be alive, just happy, I'm good. But I know why you guys clicked on this video. We're gonna go ahead and just jump straight into it. I'm going to do a braid out today. Now, fun fact, I've never done a braid out on my hair, I think since I bake chopped back in 2018. So yeah, we are just going to wing it right now. So first things first, I'm just gonna section off this front part, and then I'm gonna section off this front part as well. Yes, curls, yes. Then I'm gonna take this back section, I'm just gonna put it in a little hair tie. Okay, so before filming this, or before starting, I washed my hair with the Love Beauty and Planet shampoo and conditioner. I don't know what scent it was, but I will be sure to insert a little snippet somewhere in this. Yeah, I've been watching a lot of videos on braid outs, and everyone's braid outs have just been turning out so pretty and voluminous and just, yeah, just looking, I want big hair. I want big and defined hair. So that's like the goal the goal with this. I don't know if anybody else has this issue of like rinsing their hair out and they leave conditioner in there, or like little particles, but whatever, we gonna roll with it, it'll be fine. Okay, so for the most part, the videos that I were watching, people weren't really re-wetting their hair, so I'm not going to, but I have my spray bottle here just in case. Also, the products I'm going to be using for this wash and go is just, or really products, I'm only going to be using the Wetline Xtreme styling gel. This is the green top. I know there are different scents and stuff out there, but I'm just using the green top one. So yeah, I saw this in a video. All she pretty much did was just section her hair off, and they were pretty small sections, so I'm gonna make them pretty, like a decent size. And then at the ends of each, I'm going to just add these little perm rods in. So I got these from Amazon. You can get them from the beauty supply store, but with quarantine and with everything going on right now, it's kind of hard to go out to those stores or even want to go out to those stores. So yeah, I just got this size. I got these small ones that I'm gonna be using because I just want like a tight little coil at the end. But anyway guys, so my hair is nice and moisturized. It's not so much detangled, but I knew that I was going to be doing small sections, so I wasn't really too pressed about detangling it in the shower. I'm just going to spray my roots because there's like dried up conditioner right there, but like I said in the videos, they weren't really wetting their hair. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take a little bit of gel and just apply it to this section. Now the person that I was watching, I don't remember her name, but basically she said to use the Wetline to kind of define your curls. Like that's what's gonna make them be more defined. Okay, now that I've reached the end, I'm just gonna take this perm rod and then just wrap the end around. Okay, so that's the first one. Yeah, I'm just gonna move on, and I'm probably gonna do 2 more braids or plaits with this section. I was told that if you make the sections smaller, that your hair will kind of stretch out and you'll kind of keep the length instead of it being so like shrunken up, but we're gonna see. Okay, I was struggling with that last one. I haven't used perm rods in some years, and I don't think I've ever touched a perm rod this small. My mom never used these in my head, so that's why I was struggling. Don't come for your girl. That's all I gotta say. But yeah, guys, there's really, I'm just gonna do the same thing throughout my head. So just feel free to stay tuned. Keep on watching. Finished all of the braids. Now I'm just gonna get a scarf and tie my edges down, and I'm just gonna go to sleep. I don't know if I'm gonna take these down tomorrow because I don't know if they're gonna be dry tomorrow, but either way I'll see y'all when I take them down.